Make potato skins. If you haven't tried potato skins yet, you got to try it as soon as possible. It is one of the most popular foods that are comparable to mozzarella sticks and buffalo wings. It is one of the best goodies that your Fridays can have. It's easy to make and best of all, it is so fun to eat. Here's how to prepare the basic potato skins. Thoroughly clean 6 small baking potatoes. Scrub off dirt from the skin since this will be included when baking the potatoes. Bake the cleaned potatoes. You can either use the microwave oven or the conventional oven. It will be faster with microwave oven, but using the conventional oven will yield better baked potatoes. Before baking, rub the potatoes with olive oil. If using the conventional oven, bake the oiled potatoes for about 1 hour in 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is enough time so that the potatoes will be cooked through. If using microwave oven, put 1 potato in the oven at a time. Set the microwave oven to high and cook the potato for about 5 minutes. Cook the bacon. Do this while you wait for the potatoes to be baked thoroughly. Cook about 6 bacon strips on a frying pan on medium heat. It will take about 10 minutes. Put the bacon strips on a paper towel to sip out the oil. Let the bacon to cool down enough so you can crumble the strips. Let the baked potatoes cool until they are cool enough for handling. Cut each potato in half, horizontally. Carefully scoop out potato meat using a spoon. Reserve only about 1/4 inch on the potato skin. Save the discarded potato meat for future use. Turn the oven again, but now, to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. As it is preheating, prepare the potato skins by brushing some canola or grapeseed oil all over them. Sprinkle a little salt and then place them on the baking rack. Do not use cookie sheets or they will only wrap on the potato skins. Put the rack in the oven. Cook the potatoes again for about 10 minutes. Flip the skins and then cook for 10 minutes more. Remove the skins from the oven and let them cool enough for handling. Put some toppings on the potato skins. Arrange the potato skins on a wire rack. The skin should be facing the rack. Sprinkle the inside with ground black pepper, crumbled bacon, and cheddar cheese. Bring the skins back to the oven. Cook for some minutes more until the cheese is bubbly. Use tongs to remove the potato skins from the oven and to the plate. The skin should face down on the plate. Add some sour cream on each potato skin and top the cream with onion spring. Serve. You may top the potato skins with whatever you like. Ground pork or beef, hot dogs, ham, tuna, tomato, cheese, and mayonnaise are just some of the best toppings for potato skins. You can also make the skins hot by sprinkling ground red pepper or chili and top it with creamy hot sauce. The point is, you now have crispy and delicious potato skins that you and your buddies will enjoy.